if you want to know too much information about me, I know you like Amiibo too much. Keep watching and don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing, sharing and liking. I see them all. If you're just seeing my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy this ride together. So today is going to be a different video. It's not a makeup tutorial. This is not a skincare routine. This is not a makeup tip. This is not a beauty tip, but I'm going to be doing another kind of talk through video, and this is the too much information tag video. When I saw questions on this video challenge on Google, I was laughing and my god, I was like, where did these people get this kind of inspiration to put up questions like this? So I don't want to make this video necessarily long because the questions are long, but I'm going to limit them to a couple of questions or a few questions. So if you want to know too much information about me, I know you like Amiibo too much. Keep watching and don't go anywhere. So just in case I'm looking down too much, don't feel too bad. I'm trying to get the question. So the first question here is, have you ever been in love? Yes, I have been in love, and that's the answer. The second question here is, did you ever have a terrible breakup? I've never had any terrible breakups. I've had breakups in the past, but I never had any terrible breakup. The next question here is, do you have any piercings? The only piercing I have here is the one on my ear, and this is where I have my earrings on. The next question here says, do you have any tattoos? No, I don't have any tattoos, and I don't plan on having tattoos. I think I used to love tattoos then when I was in secondary school, but thinking about it now, bah, I don't want tattoos. What's your zodiac sign? Funny enough, I really don't believe in those things, so I don't even know what my zodiac sign is. I'm not interested. I don't care. I don't know how that thing works with the human life. The next question here is, how long does it take you to shower? It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation at hand. If it's for church, I don't take so much time showering for church. If I don't waste so much time in 5 minutes, 3 minutes I'm out of the shower. 5 minutes I'm out of the shower, but sometimes I can spend as long as 10 minutes in the shower. Please don't ask me what I'm washing. Next question here is, someone you really miss. The person I really miss here is my dad. He passed away in 2011, September 2nd, and he's the one I really miss right now. Always have, will always miss. Have you ever been in a physical fight before? This is the next question. Yes, now I've been in a physical fight before with my younger one. I don't think I've ever been in a physical fight with friends. Can't remember how, but I have been in a physical fight with my brother. Yes, I have. Qualities you look for in a partner is the next question. Okay, my partner has to be smart. He has to be goal focused, goal oriented, goal getter, everything goal, and he has to be straightforward person. He has to be God-fearing. Yes, you knew I had to say God-fearing. And you must be someone who is caring. Yes, I'm a sucker for people who care, because I care too much for people. I may not love you, you know, that kind of love, but I may care about you. And then the next question here is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is black, and sadly I don't own too many blacks in my wardrobe anymore. What was the last place you wear? The last place I wear before now is the balcony. I went to turn on the gen to continue filming this video because the other video I was filming, NEPA took the lights. Next question here is the last person you talked to. The last person I talked to is my mom. Yes, before she left the house this morning. The next question here is the relationship between you and the person that you texted. What was the last person I texted? Okay, that was my younger brother because he was asking me for money. The next question here is, have you ever loved someone you didn't love back? No. Have you ever been loved by someone you didn't love back? It's not like I didn't love the person back, but it was just not in the same proportion. So I think the person's love was way like 1055 and my own was like 20%. Next question here is, mention something you do when no one is watching. I talk to myself. Weird, right? Next question here is, mention something that makes you happy. Good food. Good food makes me happy. That's just the answer. The next question here is, have you ever been convicted of a crime? And this is the last question I'm going to be answering here on this tag today on my channel. And the answer is no, I haven't been convicted of any crime whatsoever. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a fat thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye darlings, have a fabulous day ahead.